American.
Who is this diva?
Standard British.
Who is this diva?
Devonshire.
Who is this diva?
German.
Who is this diva?
Scottish.
Who is this diva?
Geordie.
Who is this diva?
Brummie.
Who is this diva?
Yorkshire.
Who is this diva?
Scouse.
Who's this diva?
Irish.
Who is this diva?
Russian.
Who is this diva?
Cockney.
Who is this diva?
South African.
Who is this diva?
Northern Irish.
Who is this diva?
New Zealand.
Who is this diva?
British RP.
Who is this diva?
New York.
Who is this diva?
Australian.
Who is this diva?
Welsh.
Who is this diva?
French.
Who is this diva?
Southern.
Who is this diva?
Jamaican.
Who is this diva?
West Country.
Who is this diva?
Spanish.
Who is this diva?
Canadian.
Who is this diva?
Dutch.
Who is this diva? That was like the worst sentence ever. Sorry to the person that asked for it, but it was really hard.